At Grace Christian Academy, our gym is more than just a gym. It's a classroom, a practice facility, a gathering space.
It's where students grow, compete, and build lifelong skills.
But with so many activities needing this space, we've run into a challenge. There is not enough gym to go around.
That's why we're launching a big renovation.
This is not just to update the gym floor, but to make it work smarter for our students.
The biggest change? A new divider curtain allowing us to run 2 activities at once, giving them more time to move, learn, and play.
And that's not all. We're upgrading the flooring, replacing backboards, and making improvements that will last for the next 20 to 30 years.
This project will cost close to $200,000, and we need your help to make it happen.
Already raised nearly $50,000. And now we're looking to our community to partner with us in bringing this vision to life.
Likeness of his death. Raised to walk.
Would you join us in this project?
Every donation, every share, and every partnership helps us create a gym that will serve Grace Christian Academy for generations to come.
Learn more or give today by visiting our website. Thank you for helping us build something that lasts.